Alright, for this problem we need to solve it and then write the solution in interval notation. So you have 14 is less than or equal to 3y plus 17, which is less than or equal to 26. So the first thing we need to do is move that 17. So I'm going to subtract it from the 26 and from the 14. That's going to give us negative 3 is less than or equal to, this will be 3y less than or equal to 26 minus 17 would be 9. And then from here, we're going to divide everybody by positive 3. We don't have to change the symbols because we're dividing by a positive. So that'd be negative 1 is less than or equal to y less than or equal to positive 3. It's a compound inequality. So on the number line, you'll have negative 1 and 3, the line connecting them. The symbols on the end of the line will be brackets because there's a line underneath both inequality symbols. So this line and this line make the brackets. So my interval notation would be bracket, negative 1, comma, 3 with another square bracket.